this here recording. Oh, okay. What's up, guys? It's me, Destiny Bestie, and today I have a special coordination for you. Yeah, it's blue, has feathers, has a beak, and I will show you what it is. It's two baby cats. Oh my gosh. That one's on the wall. The one that's on the wall, like right there. See, that's Brock's, and the one that's on right there. That's Miley, like my Cyrus. They have a little swingy, blue cage. Their food and water. And their bite things. If you want to know what these are, these white stuff, little like to bite on. The girl is really nice to pet. I'll show you. So, okay, you guys right here. You could see her. I don't know if it's a good angle for you guys. Let's try this. Okay. I try to hold the phone. I'm gonna scare it. Never mind. Okay. Yeah. Teddy's still on my hand. Look. This is Daddy. This is Daddy. Daddy says hi. Daddy says hopper humps. Oops. Teddy. Oh wait. Teddy and Daddy. Oh, oh, psst. Ooh, tss, tss, tss. It goes. Follow me musically. Destiny Jayleen. Destiny Jayleen 8. Jayleen is spelled Jaleene. Go follow me, and I'll follow you back. Comment on one of my videos. Comment down below. Post it. It's freaking my time. Okay, guys. Bye.